Efficacy is very much dependent on the type and viability of the microbial organisms. Many commercially available products do not survive transit into the colon and are not as effective as advertised. The bacteria needs to be able to be cultured from the feces during treatment. There are irregularities with proper labeling, assessment of viability, and even misidentification of species. To be an effective probiotic, viability must be maintained throughout production, storage, distribution, passage through the gastrointestinal tract into the colon. There are many probiotics available on the market, but without regulatory oversight, how do we know which ones are beneficial or even contain what they advertise? In the absence of evidence of efficacy, veterinarians and consumers must demand evidence of at least proper product quality control and marketing. Scott Weiss and Haley Martin published this fascinating study in the Canadian Veterinary Journal. They investigated 25 commercial probiotics. Out of the 25 probiotics sampled, proper labeling occurred without misspellings in only 7. In only 21, 84%, actually listed specific microorganisms. Out of the 25 products tested, only 4 out of 15, roughly a quarter, met or exceeded their own label claims regarding numbers of viable organisms in the product. Only 8%, that's 2 out of 25, had an acceptable label which properly described the contents. Interestingly, these were both single-strain probiotics of Enterococcus and Bifidobacterium. Continued pressure needs to be exerted on manufacturers of probiotics to properly identify contents and ensure that the organisms claimed on the label are actually present at the time the probiotic reaches the patient.